Hey there people, what's up? We are back with yet another video, this time really soon because it is Shivratri here in India. So to all my Indian fans and all my global fans across the globe, Shubho Shivratri to everyone. And today we are making the one, the only, the Lord himself in our channel. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy our content today and see you on the other side of the video as we go to the drawing board. To the drawing board! Okay, so right now we are at the drawing board. This is my drawing board. Yeah. So here I just make the rough details, the brief outline of my characters, of my presentation, of my backgrounds and everything. And here we are building up the form and structure of my illustration today. So as you can see, I am making Lord Shiva today. Okay. I don't need to explain anything further. Everyone knows who Lord Shiva is. So I'm making a asana pose of him where he's doing an asana, and behind him are his followers who are kind of praying to him, where two women are standing behind him. One of them is offering water on his body, as it is customary tradition to offer Lord Shiva some water and bathe him. That's a customary tradition of Shivratri in India. And whereas the other woman standing right behind him is praying. So this is the whole scenario I'm building up, and the whole scenario is taking place in a background. As you can see, I'm making the background right now. It's kind of a temple background where through the temple you can see the aesthetics of the Kailash Parvat where Lord Shiva resides. You can see a waterfall, a lot of aesthetic nature details which you can't simply miss, which are a must when it comes to Lord Shiva. Now I'm just highlighting the little details, the little nitty-gritties of the scene, and once we are done with this, we're going to take the whole scene and take it to Clip Studio Paint and build the structure from there on out. So see you in Clip Studio Paint.
जल प्रवाह पावितस्तरे घलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजं कुङ्कुमपालिकामट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयच्चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिव जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमब्धमन्मलिम्पलज्जलितिरोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमोदरज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टकावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिक्षणम् ॐ नमः शिवाय। संतति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरणी विरुद्धदर्दरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि जटाबुजङ्गपिङ्गलस्फुरत्फणामन्त्रमालम्बकुङ्कुमद्रवप्रलिप्तदिग्मति मदान्तसिन्दुरस्फुरत्पमुत्तरीयते मनोविनोदमद्भुतं विवत्तु पूर्वकन्तरि जल प्रवाह पावितस्तरे घलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजं कुङ्कुमपालिकामट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयच्चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिव जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमब्धमन्मलिम्पलज्जलितिरोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमोदरज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टकावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिक्षणम् ॐ नमः शिवाय।
And we are done with the whole scene. As you can see, Lord Shiva in all of his glory. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video pretty soon. Cheers!